Hey everyone, Andrew with Pipe Dream Plumbing here. Just here to give you a product update looking at the Thermostat HVAC wiring extender. These units can be installed when you only have a 2-wire system on your current thermostat furnace, as well as the model 7000, 9000 deal with heat pump upgrades from air conditioners to heat pumps. But the first 4 products, so there's a common maker, the model 1000, the model 3000, and the model 5000. Those 3 models just provide different wiring systems. Common maker, the first one is just a C wire. The model 1000 gives you an additional control wire, and then the 3000 2 additional wires, and the 5000 3 with a common as well. So with these different products, you can extend your wires. You can then upgrade if you're putting your air conditioner on, or say you want to have a fan switch available at your thermostat. These wire extenders enable you to do so. So pretty simple installation. I'll take you through it quickly here. I didn't even bother showing the thermostat installation because at the end of the day, that's kind of its own thing, and you can figure it out. It's a couple screws. Find a stud. If you don't have a stud, use some drywall inserts. It's pretty easy for the thermostat. But what I did show you here is just wiring up inside the control board of the furnace on your thermostat wiring harness, as well as mounting the actual control unit for the Thermostat controller inside the furnace, as well as the receiver communicator that goes onto the thermostat. You do have to open up a hole in the wall, maybe approximately ½ inch, maybe a little bit more than that even, to insert the transmitter from the back of the thermostat. But beyond that, it's just as simple as wiring up any thermostat. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to de-energize your equipment. You're going to want to open up your furnace, verify everything's been de-energized. And then you're going to want to disconnect your current thermostat. If you're doing an upgrade, get out the new thermostat. I like to start inside the furnace first. So what you're going to find is that there's going to be 2 red wires in this control unit and 1 purple. The 2 reds, it doesn't matter which one you pick, they're either or selection, but you're going to need to separate a purple and a red. Those are going to be connected to the current wires that go to your thermostat. The remaining wires then get fed back into your thermostat wiring harness inside the furnace, just as you normally would. I like to follow the common color coding, so R is red, green is G, or white I usually make the W. I usually install the blue as the W2, and then of course you got black for common. And then if you're using a air conditioner, you got your yellow for Y, and so on and so forth. On my installation, I had 1 additional wire I'm not using yet. You could run it with a humidifier or something else. But that furnace did not have a humidifier. It was only doing 2nd floor, and the other furnace had a humidifier on it. So once it's wired up, you got to screw it inside the cabinet. Just secure it. Don't let it dangle. Don't let it pull out on the board. Make sure you secure the unit inside the furnace. And then once you go to the thermostat, it's the exact same thing. You just wire in make sure you follow the same color coding that you used inside the furnace on the thermostat, matching the same terminals. And then keep a red and a purple that you're going to marret inside the wall back at the thermostat location. Install the thermostat, turn the system on, test it out. It's that easy. It runs off the power from the furnace, so you don't have to worry about batteries, you don't have to worry about anything like that. I have yet to see one fail in my installations, so they're quite durable. They last long. I haven't had any issues, and they're great if you cannot pull a wire. My first option is always to pull a wire, but this is a great second option. Thanks for watching. You can get Thermostats at most HVAC suppliers. So let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to leave a comment. Thanks.